Good morning, ladies and gents, boys and girls. It's a new day. Let me park my car before I drive into the house. So today I am selling my pasta. So today's vlog was just basically what I do. As far as I already prepped, so as far as like cooking wise, I literally just got back home. I had to go get some more foil pans to share the pasta out in. So yeah, come along, about to go inside, show y'all what happened already. Yeah. So ladies and gents, wait, where the light at, right here. I'm in the kitchen. As I said, everything is, I have the containers on the table, they're ready. I have my bell peppers already made. Chicken has already been seasoned, and the shrimp already seasoned. I'm about to put that on the stove. Haven't put on the pasta as of yet. But yeah, I'll give y'all the updates and show y'all how I do make the sauce though. Stay tuned. Ooh. Okay, so we're starting off the sauce. We're making homemade Alfredo sauce. Yes. Start off with some non-salted butter. This is a non-stick pan. So I did melted some non-salted butter. I have my heavy whip, my Parmesan cheese, my mozzarella cheese, sharp cheddar cheese, and the seasoning that I'm gonna put inside. So this is what we doing. Yeah, busy. Let me set this up, So we have the butter melted. I'm sorry, I'm recording. I'm about to input some heavy whipped cream. Well, that's a heavy whipped cream, heavy cream. Cool. Yeah, I got the containers, some forks and some napkins. So we have the sauce is getting thick. All we added was heavy whip, lots of Parmesan, a little bit of sharp cheddar, a little bit of mozzarella. I have my garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, boom, boom, boom. Come on, focus, focus, focus. Whatever. Cayenne pepper, per usual. A little dab of jerk seasoning. Got the parsley. And then we have some more Parmesan cheese. So yeah. Okay, so the sauce is done. No sticking at the bottom. It's creamy, smooth. Yep. Okay, so this is the first, well, the people that's coming to pick up right now. We have the regular chicken pasta. About to make the shrimp and chicken for another customer that's picking up now. But yeah, get into it. Stop playing. So ladies and gents, boys and girls, my mom's in the back. But that is, sorry. I finished my deliveries. The customers came and picked up their pasta. Everybody enjoyed it. I do have a couple client pictures I'm gonna post in this vlog as well. That's basically how my day went. Yeah, so until next time. Until next time. Until next time. Peace out. Damn, it's dark. Welcome, ladies and gents. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Well, it's afternoon, actually. Good afternoon. Today's a new day. I'm probably gonna put 2 vlogs in one to make it a little longer for y'all. So today I am making a chicken sandwich. Yeah, I'm making a chicken sandwich and chicken tenders and some fries. So come on, let's go in the kitchen, see what I did so far. Okay, so in here we have chicken thighs, some with skin on them, some with no skin on them, and vinegar and lemon juice. Washing them. Okay, the inside of my glove is wet. Okay, over here we have our chicken tenders. It's just seasoned, not fully sealed, but seasoned. I'm about to go ahead and dry off my chicken and season them right now, so stay tuned. Okay, so my chicken thighs are seasoned. I have my egg beaten up. I'm about to put some low-fat buttermilk in there, mix that up. Oh yeah, I do have my flour already made. I have about 2.5 cups of flour. I have some cayenne pepper, salt, black pepper, a little bit of garlic powder. Need to put the oil in my fryer and get it started. So hold on, wait. So y'all, I only had 3 eggs. I need more than 3. But I started with the chicken tenders. So look here. I have my so what I started off with is, as you see, I beat the egg. I put my buttermilk in the egg, whipped that up and poured it on top of my chicken tenders, letting it soak for a little bit. Then I'm gonna dip it in this powder, I said powder, flour, the flour, and put it in here. I have the oil warming up. My chicken thighs are still over there. So now I am trying to order from Publix to see if they can deliver to the house, because I do not want to leave the house right now. I've left the house at least 3 times today and I don't want to drive today. So with that being said, I'm gonna see what I can shake up or who I can call. But yeah, stay tuned. So I ended up having to go myself to pick up some more eggs, but I did make the batter. I have my chicken strips right there, about to drop those. Flouring these babies, making sure flour hits every section of it. Boom, look at that. We got Deja on the phone over there. She's at work. Yeah. Boom. Drop that. Look at that. Awesome. But yeah, about to drop them. I'll show you how they look when they come out. Okay, ladies and gents, this is like, I believe like 5 or 6 pieces of the chicken tenders.
and I whipped up a sauce to put on top. Well, a dipping sauce. Don't ask me what's in it because I just threw a whole bunch of shit together and it tastes good. Yeah. So yeah, this turns out to be real small. Can't hold nothing in there, so I brought out the big pot. Relax. I brought out the big pot because this literally only holds 3 tenders in it. Makes no sense, but yeah, a bigger one coming soon. So yeah, that's how that goes. I ain't start the chicken thighs yet. They still marinating in the egg and the buttermilk. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, this is how the chicken breast turned out. It looks okay. There it goes. That's the chicken tenders. I have my pickles, my spicy mayo, the sauce that I made, and I'm getting ready to put my fries in. I still have chicken breasts to fry, so change the oil, make sure it's nice clean oil. But my french fries, nice clean oil for the rest of my chicken breast. They're not chicken breast, chicken thighs. Wow. This is how the chicken thighs is coming out. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, ladies and gents, so this is the chicken thighs, the chicken strips, and the french fries, and this is how the meal looks. This has pickles in it, by the way. The bun does include a spicy mayo drizzled with the sauce that I made, french fries, and that is all. So yeah, I'm about to go do some drop-offs now. That's basically how my day is going. That's how my day consists of. It's about to be 5 o'clock. About to drop these food off, take a shower, go lay down, edit, and that's it. I ain't doing nothing else, to be honest. So I am gonna be cooking this week, actually, so stay tuned on what else I'm cooking or what else I actually do this week. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That's how I'm ending the vlog for today actually. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell notification to know when I do upload videos, and also subscribe to my OnlyFans. Y'all never forget. Yeah, all right, y'all.